6. The Porsche 356 wasn't just Porsche's first production car, it was the foundation of a legend. Its innovative design and engineering excellence established the DNA that would influence every Porsche to follow. From its lightweight construction to its rear-engine layout, the 356 proved that sports cars could be both elegant and accessible. 5. The Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud represented the pinnacle of automotive luxury in its era. Each car required over 800 hours of handcrafting, and no expense was spared in its creation. A favorite among royalty and celebrities, it set standards for luxury that remain impressive even today. 4th. The Aston Martin DB5 wasn't just James Bond's car of choice. It was the epitome of British elegance and sophistication. With its perfect Grand Tourer proportions and powerful 4.0-liter engine, it became a cultural icon that transcended the automotive world. Every detail, from its aluminum body to its wool carpets, spoke of uncompromising luxury. 3. Meet the holy grail of classic cars, the Ferrari 250 GTO. With only 36 ever produced, these rare beauties now command astronomical prices, with one example selling for over $70 million. Each car was personally approved for purchase by Enzo Ferrari himself, making it perhaps the most exclusive club in automotive history. 2. When Enzo Ferrari himself calls a car the most beautiful ever made, you know it's special. The Jaguar E-Type stunned the world with its sleek, aerodynamic design. So revolutionary was its form that New York's Museum of Modern Art added it to their permanent collection, one of just 6 cars to receive this honor.
Before we get to the final item, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And 1. Behold the car that changed everything, the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing. Those dramatic upward-opening doors weren't just for show. They were an engineering necessity due to the car's revolutionary space frame chassis. As the world's first production car with fuel injection, it wasn't just beautiful, it was blazingly fast, capable of reaching 160 miles per hour. Today, these mechanical masterpieces command prices over $1.5 million. Thanks for watching!